Hello everyone, today I will show you how to zoom into timeline in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Use the zoom slider. At the bottom of the timeline, drag the zoom bar left or right to zoom in or out. Shortcut method. Press Ctrl plus scroll wheel Windows or Command plus scroll wheel Mac to zoom smoothly. Keyboard shortcuts. Press Shift plus or minus to zoom in and out quickly. View menu. Go to View, zoom in or out for manual control. And that is everything you need to know about how to zoom into timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.